I'm Nick from Scope Training, and I'm going to tell you that you need a license to schedule. Let's face it, Gantt charts are probably about the sexiest things in project management. Ooh, look, pretty blue lines. Ooh, bars. Ooh, arrows. Oh, this is good. Now my project is legit. And sometimes a project without a Gantt chart is seen as, look, that's not real. There's no Gantt chart. People jump straight into the schedule. What I'm going to tell you is you need a license before you start touching that stuff. That's right. You, my friend, need a license to schedule. I'm going to be the joy killer in this video, and basically I'm going to say, look, before you start this, you need to know where you're going. Because all a schedule is, it shows you how. It shows you how to get there. All right? It's just a path of activities which is going to take you to the project's completion. For all intents and purposes, that's your schedule. I'm going to stop and say, before you do any of this stuff, define this point.
Doesn't anyone notice this? I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
It's like doing a detailed roadmap without identifying where you actually want to go. That's the same as doing a schedule without really defining the scope. So we're going to take a step back and we're going to say what we're going to do first is we're going to define this endpoint, then we're going to define our scope of works. Once we've done that, then I'm going to allow you to jump on your favorite scheduling tool and spit out as many pretty pictures as possible. So, a couple of rules before you get your license to schedule. Rule number 1, grab your charter. Please tell me you have a charter or some document, a business case, a project initiation document, something which says, look, this is what the project's about, this is what we're doing, this is where we're going. All right, sets of scopes, inclusions, exclusions, hopefully that's starting to make sense. Rule number 1, grab your charter and make sure it's correct, it's current, and it's approved. Rule number 2, grab your work breakdown structure, and if you don't have one, make one. Make sure it's correct, make sure you've consulted the right people, make sure it includes all the tasks and only the tasks required to yield what you define in your charter as the stuff we're going to produce, your deliverable. All right. So rule number 2 is make sure your work breakdown structure is correct and comprehensive enough to get you to where you want to be. Once you've achieved those two things, and I know they seem rather simple and trivial, they're not. Once you've achieved those two, get in touch with me and I'll issue you your license to schedule.